Birds were coming. Yeah, they all laughed and there's a bunch of bread there. I'm not outside, I'm inside, see? I'm just putting it in the window. Here, see the birds? You see that? There's a piece of bread there. You see that? See? See? They took the bread. There's a little bird up there that they're trying to give for the bird. See, there's like one. See all those birds there? They're so cute. They're flying. The birdhouse is over there, so I can't actually go out there to want them. I put out the bread for them because I love them. Look at the bird. He's so cute. The one over there eating bread. He's like, ooh. The other birds flew away because that's the mother. I'm guessing. See that fat bird right there? That's the other bird. Now another bird came. The other bird flew away. See the other birds on that thing. So cute. Oh my God, did you see that? Now they left. Now they're going to come back. I bet you any money. Eva, 1 second. I'm doing a video of the birds coming and going. I'm going to pause this video for a second. No, birds there. One flew up there on the roof, over there on that little wire. One's eating there, and the other one's there. Another bird flew. See him? He took a big piece and went all the way over there. Madone. He's eating alone, poor guy. I think that's the mother. But from here, it's giving me a burn. See, I gotta go outside. Show you. Have a stay. See, that's where they go. I'm outside now, so I'm a little scared. Move inside, move inside. Evs, move! I gotta close the door. Jeez. Here, bird flew back. But people, all the birds go a different way. Alright guys, bye. I hope you like watching the cute little birds. Wait, I really don't want to leave it yet. Okay, bye-bye.